Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a folder onto your AOL mail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. Now you will be taken into the official AOL mail website. If you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button that you see at the top right corner and then use your account credentials to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your AOL Mail homepage. Now, if you wish to add a folder onto your account, scroll down within the left menu and you will find the Folders section. Click on New Folder and you will be asked to enter the name for this folder. Go ahead and type in your desired folder name and then tap on the Submit Input button. Once you tap on this button, your folder will immediately be created onto your Folders section. And now you can move your emails into this folder if you wish. You can create any number of folders by clicking on the New Folder option, as there are no limitations in the number of folders that you can create. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add folders onto your account on AOL Mail. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.